Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have discussed about the AND method and we have seen a scenario for club membership. So for this, for club membership, we will be writing the code actually. Okay, here we have just written a pseudo code. I want to return the complete implementation. Okay, let's jump to the Spring Tool suite. Let's start writing the code. Okay, so we have the person object handy. Okay, person name and age handy, and we have the person services as well. Okay, so now what I'll do is a club membership services. I'll write. I'll create a one class called club services or club membership services, or we can say club membership membership service class. Okay, and let me finish this. This is one club membership service class. The club membership service class will be having the method called registration for the club. Okay, so that method will be checking the age criteria and all, and we will be creating the client application for this as well. So I'll be giving the client application name as a club membership client application or club client application, club membership client, club membership client. So this is a public static void main finish. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Control D, save. Now let's start writing the code from our service class. Okay. So the service class, club membership service class will be having a method called check. Uh, we can say that, okay, check for person eligibility for membership, for club membership, I can say club membership. So this is a method. This method will be taking the two parameters. The first parameter, it will be taking the predicate. The first parameter will be predicate of a person actually, as we are writing it from the custom object person, we are writing the person predicator. This is a person predicator, and we will be passing the actual person details actually. We're passing the actual person details. This method will be returning the boolean value. Okay, and let's import this predicate and the person. Let's import java.util.function.predicate. Okay, and I want to import the person as well. Let's import the person as well. Okay, and this is a public method. Okay, so now we have a predicate and we have a person. Now let's call the test method of the predicate. So I'll say return person predicate dot test method, and we need to pass the person object. We already have the person object handy. Let's pass this to over here. Passed it. And this test method will be returning a boolean value. So return type would be boolean. Fine. So the service is done. Now let's go for the implementation. In the implementation class, the client application. In the client application, we will be writing the implementation for the test method. We'll be writing the implementation for the test method. So here, in the club membership, the test method will be taking what object? What object it is? It is a person object. So you can write something like this. You will be providing an implementation of test method, right? You can directly write something like this, person. Now you can say that person dot get age is greater than 80, and this is a one predicator. What I'll do is, instead of writing this again, we already have the code handy, right? Let me copy this code from here and I'll be pasting into the uh, Spring Tool suite for time saving. Okay, so we already have this code. We have already discussed this in the last session. Okay, So if you missed it, please go and watch the last session. Actually, let me import the person and let me import the predicate. Let's say this is a person one, this is a person two. Let's say this is a person one and this is a person two dot age. That's fine. So now we are passing the we need to pass for test method. No, not test method. Let me remove this one. I don't need test method here. So we need to create an object of what? Club membership service. So we have, as of now, what we have did, we have created the person and we have created the two predicates. So for the first predicate is for checking the age is greater than 18 or not. The second predicate is checking for the age is less than 60 or not. So we have created two predicates and we have combined, we have created the composed predicate. By combining this P1 and P2, we have written the composed predicate. Now I want to call the test method of the composed predicate. So before I'm making a call to the test method of composed predicate, I'll be creating an object of the club membership service. I want to make a call to the club membership service. Club membership service. Club membership service. So club membership service, PL service, and equals to new club membership service. So this club membership service will be having a method called check. Club membership service will be having a method called check for person eligibility for club membership. It is accepting the predicate and the person object. So we have the composed predicate. See, we will be passing this composed predicate to this club membership paste and we will be passing the person details to the club membership. We have passed it. Okay, so this club membership, what it will return? It will return the Boolean value. Let's write the Boolean here. And this is a result actually. Now, here we are writing a small if condition. So we are saying that if the person is eligible, we will say that kudos, you got the eligibility, or we can say that eligible for club membership. Else, try for the next year. Else, you are not eligible, try for next year. You are not eligible, try for next year. Try for next year. That's fine. Okay. So we have completed the client code. Now what I'll do is let me give the review actually what exactly we have did it. So we have created the person. So person object is already there actually handy with me. So person will be having the name and age. We have created the citizen getters for this person object and we have created the club membership service. We have created the club membership service. The club membership service will be having a method called check for person eligibility for club membership, and it will be taking the two parameters. One is the predicate, the other one is the person object, and we will be using the predicate. We will be testing the person object by passing the person object to the test method. So the implementation of test method will be available in the club membership client application. So here we have provided the implementation for the test method here. Here we have provided the implementation of the test method actually. So here it will come and it will be substituting the value of uh, person to the P1 and P2, and it will be evaluating the condition and it will be returning the true or false. Let me run this as a Java application. Let's see what would be the output. Run as a Java application. See what is this? Eligible for club membership because my age is 28. 28 is greater than 18 is true. 28 is less than 60, it is also true. Let's see if I give the age is 17. The age is 17. So in this case, the first condition will fail actually. Okay, the second condition will get satisfied, but the first condition will fail. So now this time it will say that you are not eligible for club membership. Try for the next year. See, you are not eligible. Try for next year simply. Okay, so the both conditions should satisfy, then only it will be returning true. So in this case, the both condition will be satisfying. 18 is greater than 28, true. 28 is less than 60, true. The both conditions are satisfying. Okay. Similarly, for the R also. So in place of and, you should use R. So if you are using R, now any one condition should satisfy. Let's say, for example, if I give 17, so this condition is failing, but 17 is less than 60. So of course it is true. It will return you are eligible for club membership, but actually it shouldn't be. So if you are using, so you should be careful while you are using the and or. Okay, so that's a huge difference between the and or. So if you are like strictly following the rules, you should be very strict. Okay, you should be using the you should know the difference between the and or. So in this case, if you are using r, so this will be causing a problem actually. That's why what I am doing is I am using the and. So if I test it now, so this time this is for success scenario. So this time it will say that okay, even 18, we are not giving the 18 are equal to, it should be greater than 18. 18, if you are giving the 18 also, it will say that you are not eligible for the membership. You should be crossing 18. Okay, something like this. If you are giving 19 now, so it will be returning the eligible for club membership. Eligible for club membership, something like this. Okay, so this is that's all about for this session. In the next session we will be discussing about the negate, or we will be discussing about the next concept by predicate. We will be discussing, I'll be negate is a small concept actually. I'll discuss that. After that we will be discussing about the by predicate. Okay, in the next session we will be discussing about the negate. After that we will be seeing the by predicate. Until then, thank you for watching. Bye bye.